Hello, good people of the world. I bring to you again home remedy for coronavirus because for now there is no medication for coronavirus. You have to start now. Don't just wait until you are infected or you are down before you start doing something. Start doing something now to prevent it because they said prevention is better than cure. Agidibanola na ebe ka iso mme. Prevention is better than cure. I got many things which I use to manage myself, to prevent myself from this ugly situation. The situation we find ourselves is not good at all, is not palatable at all. Therefore, you have to start doing something to help yourself because they said God help those who help themselves. um this is lemon, this is lime, this is garlic, this is ginger. Ginger is here. I used to blend all of them together. I will cut them little by little in equal proportion. Then I will blend it in the blender. Then pour it out in a bowl and sieve it in the sieve. Then take the water. I will add more water. Add a lot of water. Don't allow it to be more concentrated so that it will not do harm than good. So add more water. Don't allow it to be too much concentrated. Then you pour it in the gallon like this can. You put in the fridge. Don't make too much, make little by little. You can take two of this and one of garlic and the ginger like this. Little by little you make it, the one that can last for 3 days. You make it and pour in the jerry can like this and preserve it in the fridge. Every day you take small glass and warm drink it morning, night, afternoon. And while doing that, you can buy rub, vapor, any hot balm, buy it. This one is for children. You can buy any of these. Anyone you can lay your hand, buy it. Any hot balm. Then you put it in the bucket. You put it in the bucket and pour hot water, boil hot water in a big pot and pour it in the bucket. Then put rub and cover yourself with blanket for 30 minutes. After doing that, then you can take your ginger and garlic that you have prepared. You warm it and drink. Do it. At least steam yourself morning and night. Then you can use this. This is paracetamol. I bought it. It's many in my house. I bought it. It's in the sachet. You can put it in the cup and pour hot water and drink. It is very helpful. You can use this also to put in the bucket. Pour hot water like 3/4 of the bucket and cover yourself. Inhale it in, out, in, out, in, out. You cover yourself for 30 minutes. This you can use it for steaming yourself. Pour it in the bucket, cover yourself with blanket and stay for 30 minutes. Then ihe unu na-emekwa ụmụazị unu emebizina ihe na-ezukọ ndị mmadụ maka ndị mmadụ nọ na critical condition na ka ndị mmadụ wee nwee ike. Yes, that is what I'm doing to manage myself so that I will not fall sick. You will not catch it. If you didn't catch it yet, this will prevent you. If you have gotten it, it will help you to suppress the virus. You won't be down. You won't be just like helpless because this virus is everywhere. It's like millions and trillions. of sand. It's like sand on the ground. Wherever you touch is there. Wherever you touch is there. It's only God that will help us. By God's grace, we are going to survive this. Please start now. Don't neglect this. Don't say I'm strong. Nobody is stronger than this virus. This virus is no respecter of any human being. Please start now. If you are Igbo person, you can start to cook pepper soup and put it a lot of pepper. Put a lot of pepper. Uda, uziza, akuinu, everything that is bitter. Start to eat it now. Anything that is bitter and sour, start to eat it now. Mee ụda ụzịza ofe nsala gbanye mmiri ọfụma tinye ose ọfụma tie ụda ụzịza ụtazi na-elie na-aṅụ ya aṅụ na-ekpu mmiri ọkụ. Daalụ, bye for now.